Welcome to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade. Thanks to funding from Tony Stark, WEB has helped individuals the most brilliant engineers and give them access to cutting-edge resources so that they can create tech that will empower everyday people like you. Take like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, WEB has some of the brightest minds in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill, so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant... Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at WEB we get access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
it's awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the WEB Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, a little bit, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be great.
Problem with that,
So
Peter?
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry for shouting. Could you just call something else? Ask them again.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. Left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers Campus. It should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
And I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, find the Slinger vehicle.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the Slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers Campus.
There are spider bots everywhere. I'm told Peter not to implement the self-replicating feature until it's fully
Activating motion tracking. Assigning image select photo profile.
killed me.
No, we can handle it. It's a small
Elevated threat level to legit crazy.
Yeah, that sounds right. Wait, the green box is still
Awesome at
If
this
we
game.
intentionally hit those green blocks, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction thing worked!
You guys were amazing.
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem. Well,
Good job, John.
Looks like Professor Spider-Man really saved the day.
correct. Now we need to
Actually, better tell Cody.
I think that's a wise decision, Peter. For your safety, please remain seated.
How'd you get all those points, John?
Reinforcements, remain seated inside the transport.
Hey,